Hi tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Miss Bliss. I know it's been a while, but I am here. So anyway, today's video is to give you guys a follow-up. This is my tapered cut. The purpose of me showing you this is to show you how much my hair has grown. I do not have a bald spot back there. That is just one of my braids. I took a loose and I did not comb the hair out, just FYI. So the side you see there is a dry old gel that I have there. But moving right along, this is just some of the areas that are growing back out of the taper cut. My baby hairs are growing back, so I'm so super excited about that. If you're new tuning in, please make sure you click that subscribe button, give that bell to notification, a little hit that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all, I'm a little rusty because I haven't done videos in quite some time. Anyway, y'all, my hair has grown out just a little bit more. It seems as though my taper cut is growing out slower this time. And I know the reason for it. I just haven't been drinking a lot of water to go along with the hair growth vitamins that I've been taking. But I am a work in progress and I'm trying to improve in that area. This side here, it could be a little bit better. I'm just ready for this hair to grow out, y'all. I'm ready to wear an afro puff now. So to kind of help boost that growth, I am using the Jamaican black castor oil. And so I just kind of go throughout my hair, the braided area and the taper part as well. And I kind of just apply this oil throughout my entire head, throughout my entire scalp. And I'm hoping and praying that it is beneficial for me because I'm ready for this hair to grow out, y'all. The short hair was great, but I'm ready for some hair. Now that I've applied the Jamaican black castor oil, I'm just going in with my bristle brush and I'm just combing down my hair. So at this point, I am preparing it for that lay down look on that left side of my head, or right. I can't remember. I believe it's my right side. I'm going to use some of this Miele's Mint hair paste and I'm going to use some Eco Style gel. So those are the two gels I decided to go with. The only reason I'm using that Miele product is just to get rid of it. The Eco Style gel does just fine with laying down my hair the way that I need to by itself. So I use quite a bit of gel and I apply it to this taper side here. Now mind you, I think I may have to go into it 3 times and apply the gel because my hair has grown out a lot. So to ensure that it lays down and stay, I just want to make sure I have adequate enough gel to apply to my hair. Once I've applied the amount of gel to my liking, I kind of just lay it down on my hair and then I go in with my comb, but I'm sure you can use a baby hair brush. I just decided to use my rat tail comb because I want to shape and mold this side with the gel. I want it to somewhat have the look of a finger wave. Just want to juice it up just a tad. You don't have to go to this extent as I did, but again, my hair has grown out a lot on this side, so it doesn't lay like it did when it was still very, very short, although it is still short. So anyway, do what you like, play with it, mold it until it fits your style, it meets your criteria for you to feel good about it. So you can see the ends, they are curling a bit because again, my hair is growing out. Once I have molded to my liking, and the next thing I do is go in with a headscarf. Let the headscarf stay on your head for a couple of hours or overnight, whatever. Then after that, once the gel has completely dried and your hair is laid flat, girl, you can take off that headscarf. So this is what the results are. This is what my hair look like, and I love it, love it, love it, because I'm in that awkward stage, or the beginning of the awkward stage. So this really works for me. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.